Hi, it's Debbie, and it is day 16 of 30 days on my diet. Um, I actually am enjoying it, surprisingly. The first week I was like, I'm not gonna last 30 days, but now I'm like, okay, I think I can do the next couple weeks, especially since people are watching and commenting. I appreciate it. But it seems like we have a lot going on today. Um, but we'll go with the menu right away. Okay, we have breakfast. So I make an omelet, cantaloupe, and for lunch, tomato and chicken salad. For dinner, shrimp scampi and spinach. And then for a snack, nuts, cucumbers, pickles, and cheese. I'm beginning to really like the combination of dill pickle with cheese. It makes it pretty good.
Grandma,
Hi, are you gonna help me or are you gonna?
no, the big quarterback in Raiders, his
Oh,
elbows.
he'll be okay. All right. So first thing we want to do is I've made your chair over here. If you want to help, okay. This is Halkia. This is my grandson. And you gonna say hi to everybody? Hi, wave hi. Everybody, say hi to Halkia. He likes to help Grandma, huh? Yeah. The first thing we'll start is with the shrimp scampi because that takes a little while to cook. And we'll start doing everything else. You don't like shrimp scampi?
I want to.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you do something on there, okay?
I like
You like pulling it? I know you like helping Grandma in the kitchen. Huh? You help Mommy in the kitchen too? Yeah.
Help her making rice.
Make rice?
With water.
Water and rice. Good job. We're gonna make shrimp scampi.
When is standing up?
Oh, it's all frozen, huh? Yeah. Okay. This is we're gonna do the chicken because he came up and he's interested. Because as soon as he gets uninterested, can you reach that bowl for Grandma?
Yeah.
Be careful. Because once he's uninterested, then he's gonna be bouncing all over. Huh? Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do chicken salad, and we're gonna need some celery in it. Do you like celery in it?
Yeah.
Yes. We don't need a lot of celery. We just need some celery, okay?
What
So what we do is, since he wants to help, and playing with the knife is not one of the ways I like him to help. Oh, no playing with the knife. So he can pull this. You have to put your toy down. Okay. And then you play, and then you know how to pull that, huh? You're strong, huh? And it cuts it up. We don't need it too cut up. Let me see. Does it look good? He likes to pull it. Oh, you can pull it some more. Okay. You can actually do the chicken in there too, but we'll just cut it up while he's playing with that. So we grilled the chicken the other day. We grilled the chicken the other day and we had leftover. So because we had leftover, I'm just gonna dice it up. You gotta shake it sometimes. But you know what, honey? It came off. A bit. This one. Oh, Grandma. Wait, look at that. Grandma messed up. I didn't take the blade off. You're gonna be doing that for days. That's funny. That was Grandma's fault again, huh? Yeah.
Every time you make
Yeah, when I mess up, yeah. Every time.
why you forgot to take off the blade?
Well, I didn't want anybody to reach in it and get cut, so I took it off. Isn't that good? I bet you it's cutting up a lot better.
Chicken!
You like chicken? Is that good chicken? I bet you it's cutting up a lot better now. Hmm? Oh yeah. A few more pulls and we're gonna be good. Good to go. You can cut this up as much as you want and as little as you want.
Yummy! Yummy! I want to eat that.
Do you like shrimp? Yeah? Well, we're gonna put spinach in it. Mmm. Looks good, huh? Look at how it cut it all up and he didn't cut his fingers. Let me show him all your fingers. All 10 fingers. No blood. What is that from? Not from my Tupperware.
Cool.
From school? Who was watching you? I always ask them.
Nobody.
Who was watching you when you got hurt? Because
Nobody.
we pay somebody to watch you at school.
Nobody, just my friends.
We pay somebody to watch him so he doesn't get hurt. So if he comes home hurt, I'm like, well, how did you get hurt?
The block fell on me.
Uh-oh. You have to be careful. Grandma doesn't like when you get hurt, huh?
I can mix that.
You want to mix that? Try to keep it in the bowl, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, try to keep it in the bowl. So with the chicken salad, we're gonna mix it up and put it in here. Because I made extra so my husband can have a sandwich too. But for mine, I'm gonna use a tomato, like how they do a cucumber boat, but do a tomato boat, and put the
I like the
tomatoes. You don't like tomatoes?
I just like boats.
Oh, the boat. You like the boat. Okay. So we'll have that with chicken salad. That looks really good. Okay. You did a really good job. Thank you. Doesn't that look good? Yeah. Okay, so we have chicken salad and a tomato. Do you know how to make an omelet in the microwave?
Sure.
Sure.
Wait. Where is the omelet?
An omelet is egg, like scrambled eggs.
I don't like eggs.
You don't like
I
eggs.
only like the little ones from Panda.
So all you need is 2 eggs.
What is it?
You wanna mix it?
Ellie, can I go away?
And like a tablespoon of water.
Look, I want water.
Tablespoon of water.
Wow.
Exactly that much. And this is the quick shake, has a spinner wheel. And then we put it on, line it up, and then what do you do?
Shake it.
Shake it. What is your favorite thing to make in the quick shake? Do you remember? Shake it. Do you know what your favorite thing is to make in the quick shake?
Why is
No.
so much smoke coming up to the light?
I'll remind you. Tell them, what is your favorite thing to make in the quick shake?
Chocolate bunny!
It only takes a couple minutes, and they really like it. Okay, so we'll show them. 2 minutes. You've mixed it in the thing. You pour it in here.
It's going to be from the bottom.
Yep, it's on the bottom. Then you cover it. Cover it
In the microwave.
in the microwave.
Milkshake. Milkshake.
It actually doesn't even take 2 minutes, more like a minute. Okay, so then we're working on the shrimp scampi. This is spinach.
How do you do that?
Because we washed it. We want to make sure it's not dirty.
Mix it.
So we put it in here.
Spinach.
Okay. You have to spin it, get all the water out. Oh, that's fun, huh? When I was looking up recipes to make with spinach, because they had spinach on sale at Costco, everything you make with spinach, it seemed like butter and garlic. So then I was thinking, okay, I think that's enough. Look at all the water on the bottom. Is that a lot? So that's, okay, we gotta put it in here. That was fun, but all the water and all the dirty stuff is under, can you see it? All under the, you see it, huh? And then, you stick it in with the shrimp.
What? That's a lot.
That's a lot. It's gonna all melt. It's not gonna look like a lot. So when this spinner comes out, it usually comes with the spinner and this, and then comes with the lid. So you want to cover it, you can cover it, and it comes with a salad to go. So you can make salad to go. Has snap cup, and it has utensils. There you go. There's a.
That's good.
So you take like Chinese. That was fast, huh?
Go get it. Go get it. Go get it.
So when you want to take a salad, like Chinese chicken salad, you can mix it when you get there, and it's nice and fresh.
I want to see
Mmm.
what's the name? Right?
Omelet.
What happened to it?
What happened to the eggs? It made it into an omelet. Is that pretty cool or what? Pretty cool.
Were we sleeping tonight?
Nope.
Our home or your home?
So this is an omelet. It comes right out. You put cheese on it.
Cheese on
You can also cut up bell pepper and put bell pepper. While you're cooking it, put bell pepper in it.
I want to try some pickles.
So that's the omelet with the cantaloupe.
I have pickles after.
Yeah, you can have pickles after.
I didn't try that before.
The melon.
I didn't try that one.
You want to try a piece of melon? You like it does look refreshing. Is that good? Really good, huh? We'll turn this down, and we're going to put. I wanna show. I just brought the cucumbers up yesterday, but I didn't bring the package. They're called cakey cukes, and they're mini cucumbers, and they're from the Big Island. So I always say support local businesses. These are really good. Just leave the skin on. It tastes awesome. Very refreshing. But that's not helping. We're almost done, okay? You want a pickle? If you're good, I'll give you a pickle, okay? So yesterday I cut them up and all, but they're just fine. They're just fine.
I didn't eat it. I didn't eat it like that.
You want to eat it like that? They are really good.
It smells good.
Mm-hmm.
No, I want to eat it like that. I want to.
I tell you, we're setting an example for our kids when we make our meals at home instead of driving through fast food all the time. You like that, huh? Tastes pretty good, huh? So then we have cucumbers, pickles, and cheese. And this is done. This is past done.
Don't even think about it.
Okay, cheese, and we're done. I used to just eat pickles, but now pickles and cheese taste really good.
Uh-huh.
You like your cucumber, huh?
I like
Chew it good, okay?
We're almost done. What's that?
Egg, omelet, 2 minutes in the microwave. You didn't approve. Okay, so this is the shrimp scampi with spinach. And it really has way too much butter. Which is not a problem because you can drain the butter off. I hope you can see it. The taste looks really good. Shrimp scampi with spinach. Of course, if you want to, you can make your own shrimp scampi. I saw that on sale, so I grabbed that. And you can just stick it in the vent and serve and eat it like that. I'm not sure this would freeze very well. But, okay, so we have the omelet, 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes, cantaloupe, chicken salad with tomato, shrimp scampi, and then snacks we have my famous nuts. We have pickles, cheese, and
I
cucumber.
didn't try that nuts before. I didn't try that nuts before.
You didn't try nuts before?
Nuts.
Okay, you can try nuts. Okay? That's the wrong nuts. That's the chopped up nuts. I grabbed the wrong container. Downstairs I have nuts for you to try, okay? Okay. Thank you very much for watching.
Bye-bye.
I was very, very excited about losing almost 6 pounds, 5.8 pounds
Are
yesterday.
you a dance?
So I'm happy.
Are you a dance?
Yes, I'm done. Does that mean you're going to dance again? Okay, don't choke on the cucumber, okay? Put the cucumber down. Okay, now you can dance. Thanks
Bye-bye.
for watching. I appreciate it. Bye-bye. Bye.